before y'all tune into the video, make sure y'all throw a like on the video. If this is not your first time here, please subscribe and put on that post notification bell. I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all watch the whole vid and enjoy.
Turn around so I can kiss you on your big ass lips.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
It's like only the females will skip me. Like, let me talk to a female.
You trying to talk to the hoes and shit? Like, what's up? You don't want to talk to niggas?
I'm trying to talk to the hoes.
What's wrong with the? Are you a streamer?
Hell no. Are you a streamer?
Nah, I don't even got the gamer chair. Look, like you more of a streamer than me. Anyways, hi.
Yeah, I gotta be.
Narmeen. That's your name? Where you from, Narmeen?
I'm from Florida. Where are you from?
Wait, what's your ethnicity?
I'm Arabian and black.
I don't know what none of that shit means, but okay, we'll take it.
Arabian and black, African American.
Oh, okay, makes sense. Okay.
So you got waves under there?
Yeah.
You trying to give us a 360 on the lips?
But then I had to put it back on, like.
For the one time.
I feel like a bitch. Like, what the fuck?
You feel like a bitch is crazy.
Yeah, because why am I taking this shit off? You could see it through the, like, alright, bro.
No, but you can take it off so I can really see it. Oh, okay. I guess we get the gram.
Life like this sure is sweet, huh? It definitely is.
AJ?
That's dick riding. That's dick riding. That's dick riding though. Like, damn, I don't even look like that nigga. Hello? You like, is that like sign language or some shit?
No, nigga, I'm waving at you.
Oh, that's how you wave, nigga? You can't just hit a little hung like one of these bitches? Like, you gotta...
Yeah, bitch. And I'm gonna continue to do as such.
Okay.
Take it or leave it.
Well, I'm sorry, bitch.
Because I didn't have to wave at your ass at all.
Well, I'm sorry, bitch.
You over here jiggling your double...
Is this like a performance or just like I'm confused? What the fuck? Use my fucking whiny bitch. Hello?
Oh, bitch.
No, I was saying I gotta use my brain to like figure this shit out.
Can you do it under 5 seconds?
Nah.
What about like 10? What about 5 minutes?
I could do it like in a minute.
Do it. He lying.
I'm not lying. I'll solve this bitch right now.
Alright, I'm gonna set a timer for 1 minute and you gotta solve it. And if you don't,
You
I'm
gotta
gonna
give
report
us
your dumb
$5.
ass.
Let me know when you set the timer.
She doing it. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, go.
I feel like a bitch. Like, why did I just do that? Like, why did I have to prove to them that I can do it?
About a pound. You know who he looks like?
Who do I look like? Motherfucker, tell me too, nigga. Shit.
He looks like Phantom.
That was fucking talking to me. I loved him so much because he's just so fucking amazing. And everybody's so fucking amazing right now. I love you too.
Is she on drugs?
I'm not drinking or anything. I'm just fucking lit as fuck right now because I love you so much.
Yeah, she's fried out her fucking mind.
I'm not fucking fried. I'm just fucking amazing right now, because
Oh,
I'm fucking
shit.
amazing.
You're fucking
It's
amazing,
just
right?
fucking, you're amazing. You're fucking amazing. I just want to tell you.
Yeah, that bitch is fried. That bitch gotta be on like shrooms or something.
We're bored.
Wait, where y'all little niggas at?
In a dorm board.
Y'all still got school and shit?
We're in college.
That's what I'm saying. Ain't that shit over?
No.
Oh, my fault. Wait, what y'all studying shit?
Waiting for she's I don't really know.
She's what?
She has to answer herself. She's beauty school, I'm a surgeon.
You trying to be a surgeon and shit?
Yeah.
Y'all don't got like niggas there and shit to like entertain y'all? Like, what's up with y'all? Y'all pretty? Like, what the fuck?
We are pretty, thank you.
Y'all don't got niggas to like entertain y'all and shit?
We don't need niggas.
But I'm saying, like, call a nigga, tell him to do a backflip or some shit. Like, come on, like, be creative.
Niggas disgust me, so.
Oh, wow. So you like a lesbian and shit?
No. I'm straight.
Wait, so you hate niggas, but you still take dick? That don't even make sense. Like, come on now.
Who said I take dick? I don't know that.
Bro.
A bullshit? A bullshit? A bullshit.
Hello? Hello? Like, y'all niggas on speed?
Hello?
He talking that nigga-nese. We fuck with that shit. He talking that nigga-nese. We like that shit over here. Say that shit again, Slap.
Aquí coca.
That's that shit. Hello.
What's up?
How y'all doing?
Yep. Good. How about you?
Which one, Kylie? Okay, I figured. And you're Jace. Okay.
Why? Why is this?
You said what?
What makes me Kylie?
Bestie, it just makes sense.
Yeah, she looked like I don't know, you look like the more normal one, you know? So I just guessed Kylie, you know?
I look more normal, let me say.
Yeah,
This one just
shit.
a little bit. Ow.
Yeah, she look like she like choke niggas and whip niggas and shit.
Yeah.
Don't say that shit!
Threesome?
Got him. We fucking got him.
Oh no! Oh, you a goofy.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Hello?
Hello, good.
You said what?
What's up?
Did this nigga just say Kalo K? Like, that's what I say to the Spanish bitches. Is he trying to fuck me?
Hey yo, what the fuck?
What type of freaky kinky ass shit is this? Oh, hell nah.